Hello students, let's continue with our chapter 2 Introduction to GUI Windows 10. Students, in our previous class we have discussed about Windows 10 and its components. Now let's begin with our new topic, Recycle Bin. Recycle Bin displays the files and folders that have been deleted from the computer. The recycle bin is like a waste basket. It also enables you to retrieve files that you may have accidentally deleted. It means recycle means students, recycle means you can reuse. Recycle means reuse. Okay, here you can retrieve or return your work or deleted files from the recycle bin. It means if you think by mistake I have deleted my important file, so you can easily retrieve it from the recycle bin. Now look at this picture. This is full recycle bin or this is empty recycle bin. This is full recycle bin or this is empty recycle bin. Okay, it means if your recycle bin is empty, it means there is no files and folders, it will be looking empty. Okay, or if there is any file and folders, it will be looking full. So easily you can understand the condition of recycle bin. If it is empty, it means there is no file and folders. If it is full, it means there is some file and folders inside the recycle bin. Next is control panel. What is control panel? Control panel is used to change the settings for the Windows. For the Windows, we are working on the Windows 10. To change the setting of Windows 10, we are to go to the control panel. These settings control nearly everything about how Windows look and work. It means, see here, you will find the control panel. To open the control panel, just click on this start button. Click on this start button, then click on control panel. Okay, it will open the control panel. From the settings, you can adjust, like from the categories, you can adjust like large icon or small icons. These type of settings you can do in control panel, and you can change the theme or appearance of the desktop or your window also using this control panel. Now next is start button. Okay students, what is start button? What is start button? Start button is helping as the main gate of the computer. How? If you want to start any kind of task in your computer, so we all have to click on start button. This is start button. We all have to click on start button, means have to open the door of the computer and can start the program from here. Now basically, what is start button? The start button which you can see in Windows 10, this button is located on the left side of the taskbar. Okay, in Windows 10 you can see all icons. In the form of tiles. See here, in the form of tiles, which is easier to find, that you can see any program properly on the desktop. Now see here, this is the icon of Windows 7 previous version and Windows 10. Now next is shutting down Windows. Next is shutting down Windows. How to shutting down Windows? Just we have to follow some steps. Step number 1. Click on the Start button. Step number 1. Click on the Start button. See here. This is Start button. Step 2. Click on the power icon. This is power icon. So click on this power icon. Step 3. Click on the shutdown option. See here. Click on this shutdown option. These are the steps which you can use when you shut down your computer system. Students, when you click on the power icon, you will find here the 3 options. You will find here the 3 options. See here, these 3 options: shut down, sleep and restart. You can say sleep, shut down and restart. How does it mean? First is shut down. This option means when we want to exit from the Windows, then if you have finished your work and now you want to turn off your computer, then click on the shutdown option. Then click on this shutdown option. Now next is sleep mode. Next is sleep. What is the means of sleep? What is the means of sleep? Sleep, in this mode, your computer goes onto the sleep mode. Means you are not using your computer, but your computer is on. Okay, it is in sleep mode. It is in sleep mode. And next is, see here, next is restart. Next is restart. Restart option temporarily shuts down Windows 10 and turns it on again. It means your computer will not shut down permanently. It will shut down temporarily. For example, if you do not want to shut it down, you are to restart your computer. You can use restart option. You can use this restart option. Thank you.